First open Capcut, then click new project, go to photo option and choose photos that you want to make the videos. Okay, I'm choosing the pictures. Now I'm just starting to choosing photos. I'm choosing photo 1 2 3 and click add. Then I click add and I was clicking photos and managing photos, and this is error, so I delete this video photo and I managing these photos. Okay, again I go to start and click photo. We got new option and click style option. Scroll right side and 3D zoom pro find and click and generating photos, making video this and again I was selecting photos and 3D Gen Pro clicking. I will make all photos generating 3D Pro zoom. Okay, I'm adding some other photos. I think the video is become more less time. Then I was up. I'm choosing photos. Okay, I would go to download and choosing some pictures. So I'm choosing two pictures and animation style, side animation and 3D zoom pro. Clicking studio and making this. Next photo managing. Okay, 3D zoom. Okay, clicking and 3D zoom pro. Click 3D zoom and this video is generating and I'm okay done. And this last video, ending of this video, I deleted watermark. I deleted this watermark and starting and play this video photo. How this become. If you like it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please subscribe our channel and share the videos. And this is done. And now I'm exporting this video. This video is exporting. Wait for the exporting the result coming. If you like the video, then like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, this is finished. You can see how this video become. Today this much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.